I don't know what kind of relationship you guys have.
Kasi sa team, siya yung mother ko.
A mother?
Mother!
I was trying to be friends. I was trying to be friends, you know, nice with the older sister, pero mother pala. Okay, so.
Siyempre, lahat ng mga, hindi lang yung skills, pati yung lahat ng mga values na, yung leadership niya, yung determination niya, yung lahat, siyempre di namin yung kakalimutan and kailangan namin yung sa team namin kahit na mawawala siya. Siyempre alam naman namin kapag lagi naman may nawawala pero may darating rin naman eh. So siyempre i-welcome namin yung bago and team pa rin naman kami, so I know na hindi naman pag may nawala hindi na gagalaw yung team. May magbabago naman. Lagi yung important is adjustment. So yun, doon na ako move.
Paano kayo mag-a-adjust na mawawala na ang isang MVP ninyo?
Mahirap yung pagdadaanan namin. Pero syempre, mahaba naman yung time.
Tsaka MVP ka rin eh.
Pero syempre, yung isa doon is yung training. Syempre, doon yung mag-develop yung skills namin, yung talents. Syempre, yung tulong ng coach namin. Kung gaano kami ka-determine na intindihan yung mga sinasabi ng coach, doon na yun
Sa coach ninyo, marami kasing nag-uusap, yung during the finals, kitang-kita si